is that 2011 Impreza we're working on. Broke the mirror. Don't want to tell your husband? Check it out. Make sure that this guy goes sliding this way, because you have this, or else it will break. Same thing if you had a speaker in here. These all come pre-wired, so if you want to buy some speakers, you can pop them in, they'll work. Here's the wiring for the speakers. Okay, 3 screws. These might be a little tough. Grab a number 8 not to strip them. That one came out easy. That one came out easy. I bet that one's a hard one. Oh no, very easy. That's a good thing. 1, 2, 3, boom. Push this little clip right here. Voila, mirror. Same way going back in. Just put it through, put the wire through, plug it in, put the 3 screws in, and then just watch the videos and put it all back together.